What if I told you the biggest thing sabotaging your productivity is your to-do list? You spend all day checking off small tasks, feeling busy, but when the day is over, your most important work is still untouched. I was trapped in that exact same cycle, confusing activity with achievement. In this video, I'll show you how to break free, stop being just busy, and start being truly productive. I used to think a packed schedule meant I was productive, but my results never reflected the effort, and I felt overwhelmed because my focus was scattered. I learned that activity doesn't equal progress. The real change came from a mindset shift, not a new app. Section 1. Define your win. First, redefine your relationship with your to-do list. An endless list is overwhelming and causes crippling decision fatigue. So, instead of asking, what do I have to do today? Ask, what is the one thing that will make today a win? This gives you a clear, focused target. By identifying your single most important task first, you guarantee you're making tangible progress on what truly matters. Section 2. Manage your energy. Manage your energy, not just your time. Your brain's focus is like a battery that drains throughout the day. Don't waste your precious peak morning energy on low-impact tasks like email. I personally protect my first 2 hours for my daily win. Absolutely no distractions allowed. I save shallow work for the afternoon when my creative energy is lower. It's about matching the right task to your energy level. Rest isn't just a reward. It's a crucial part of the productivity strategy. Section 3. Build a framework. Build a proactive framework instead of living in reaction mode. Don't let your day be dictated by your inbox. Use time blocking, which means assigning a specific job to every part of your day. It might sound rigid, but it's liberating because you're telling your time where to go. I schedule blocks for deep work, but also for meetings and personal time. To make this stick, use simple rituals like closing all work tabs to signal to your brain that the workday is over and prevent work anxiety from bleeding into your evening. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what should I improve about my videos. That would help a lot.